Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Mazda CX-5 2012 to 2016 years. Okay, let me unbox review. It runs Android 9 Pie system. Let me show it. Okay, let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This joystick. There are two different joysticks. We have both. Okay, this head unit. This install part. This is special harness. Okay. Let me introduce the harness set first. Okay, you can check this special harness for Mazda CX-5. Let me check this CAN-bus decoder box. This is Mazda CX-5. Okay, and this special for CX-5 power cable. Okay. You can check this connector. Okay, there is the radio antenna. This radio antenna, this connects our back head unit. And this factory backup camera. Okay, and this connector. Okay, this is GND wire, ground, and let me show other wire. This K1 and the K2 for steering wheel control, and this is reserve camera, 12 voltage. Okay, that's harness. Let me show the install part. This is install part for Mazda CX-5. Okay, and this is screw, come with screw. This is the joystick. Let me show it. Okay, you can check this joystick special for Mazda CX-5. Okay, and the back this connector cable. Okay, this joystick. There are two joysticks. We also have other one. Okay. This is GPS antenna, and come with external microphone. There are two USB cable and external microphone. This external microphone to USB cable. This connector back of head unit. Okay. This camera input. RCA type. Okay. This AUX input, left and right. RCA type. This video input. Okay. This is audio cable. This is subwoofer. And video out 1 and video out 2. This is AUX out front and rear, left and right. Okay, that's all. Let me show the head unit. Okay, you can check this special device for Mazda CX-5. Let me check. This is something. Okay, 10.1 inch IPS touch screen. This let me show. You can check this SD card slots. Okay, this button's microphone and reset hole. Okay. Okay, you can check that. This cable connects to the joystick. Okay, you can check. And left side. You can check this kit. And this kit. There are 3 kits. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me show the back. You can check this power cable, this GPS antenna, this Wi-Fi, GPS port connector, this radio port and Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, it will show the power pi system. It's Android 9 pi system. Okay, head unit start. This is too high. Let me find something. Okay. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Okay, please take out this screen protector before using. Very fast response. Okay, let me back home. This radio. And check the setting. You can check this built-in Wi-Fi and We upgrade this icon with color. Okay, check the about machine. You can check MCU version and CPU memory size RAM 4GB. It's CPU octa-core. Hardware rack chip CX5. Android version is Android 9 high system. Okay, this back button, let me back. Double click. Okay, this is Android 9 Pi system. And IP address and Wi-Fi address, MAC. Okay. It's built in easy connection for mirror link. It's mirror link, Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi, and built-in Google Maps, Google Play Store. It supports video out. Okay, that's all. Thank you.